English you can live in. Filtered stays. I scroll rentals. Filters in play. Price, beds, and pets guide my way. I read reviews from real guests. Photos show what I need best. Digital maps show distance and spots. Amenities pop up. I check the lots. Some places glow with stars online. Others warn me with notes in line. I pick the stay that fits my plan. Book with ease with just a scan. Filters and reviews save me time. Finding a home feels just fine. Answer the following questions. Well done! You did it! Compare your answers with the suggested ones.